Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I know some of you are probably expecting another vlog, but let's just let that one from last week keep cooking. We don't want to break the internet again. Let's just get back to our bread and butter. Essentially amateur skills tutorials. But we're going to make this one a little different. We're rewinding to 2010, my senior state championship game, Whitfield Warriors against Springfield Catholic. And I'm going to show you my top 3 skill moves that I use as a center midfielder. The cut, the Cruyff, and the spin. Who are the 3 professionals that I adopted them from? George Best, the cut. Johan Cruyff, the Cruyff. And Xavi Hernandez, the spin. The spin can be 360, it can be 180, it can be a 90, it can be 270. It doesn't matter, it's a spin. With all these moves, the simple objective is simplicity and change of direction. To get the defender off balance, the opponent off balance, go the opposite way. Have full control of the ball, know where you're going. Let's get into the video. The cut. The simple cut, the first skill move I ever mastered.
Go Catholic, let's see if they can spring the counter. No, taken away. That's Doherty. Doherty's had a pretty good run here in the first half. Switching, looking for the right foot.
The one I probably used the most times throughout my playing career. I love it. It's so versatile because it's so simple. Fake like you're shooting, fake like you're going to pass, cut the ball back, chop the ball back. The defender does not expect it. Even if they know that you're a type of player that cuts on them all game long, they still cannot read it. They can't get it, especially if you keep it close to your body. It's beautiful. It's a cut. Master it. George Best did it best, and that's a great leeway into Cruyff doing the Cruyff.
Oh, Doherty's been dangerous in the midfield. He's been dangerous inside the box. He's just a dangerous player.
He's borderline infallible this afternoon, Brad. I mean, literally, no matter how closed down the spaces, as we saw there with a really short field in the box, a lot of bodies flying around, they still can't take the ball off him.
This one's just majestic. It's a cut, but it's behind the back with the inside of the foot. Johan Cruyff did it the greatest of all time. What more can I say? It's simple, it's deceptive, and it's beautiful. Pick your head up, really sell it to the defender, Cruyff it back, take it away in the other direction. It's simple, it's precise, it's creative, it's effective. Cruyff turn. Learn it, live it, love it. This last one was my trademark. Learned it from Xavi Hernandez.
Not going to get it. Whitfield might get the one more chance. There's Doherty spinning again. Loves the spin. The opening minutes of that first half.
Far in this match, we've not seen him on the ball too much, really demand.
Moses. Doherty. Goal scorer in this game. Just spinning circles, 360s.
Have your head up. Always know where your opposition is. Receive a pass anywhere, and you can spin on the ball. Take it in any direction. And the beautiful thing is you're always maintaining your body in between the opponent and the ball. So you'll never lose it. As long as you keep your head up, know where the opposition is at all times, you can twist and turn in any direction. You just got to be able to use both the inside of your foot as well as the outside of your foot.
Come out of the game, went back in. Nice footwork by Nick Doherty in the middle of the field, spinning.
He's one of those players who's obviously very calm on the ball, you can see, and that's exactly the type of player that you need in the middle of that 4-2-3 formation.
And when blended together, it looks like this. The cut, the Cruyff, the spin. The cut, the Cruyff, the spin. And sometimes you got to mix it up. Rewind, go in reverse, spin. The Cruyff. The cut.
I remember the opening minutes of that first half. The ball hung in the air quite a bit. There's Doherty. Doherty, boy, I like the way he just chews through the opposing midfield.
The beauty in all of these is it's a simple change of direction. You're using the opposition's momentum going one way, and you're cutting back on them, spinning around on them. They're left for dead. They're stuck in the mud. You're going in the opposite direction. All right, that's enough of me talking. Let's just roll the clip. Enjoy the video. Remember, the cut, the Cruyff, spin. Cut, Cruyff, spin. Spin, Cruyff, cut. Spin, Cruyff, cut. Cut, Cruyff, spin. Spin, Cruyff, cut.
Can he put Whitfield in front?
Just outside the 18. Under 11 minutes to play here in our first half. Still scoreless. Whitfield with a chance. Doherty will
try
be
to just drive this to the far post. Looks as though the wall might be mispositioned a bit.
There it is. Doherty puts it up the air to 10. Doherty scores it. Whitfield takes a 1-0